I don't know, I can't see it.
It's red.
Over there?
Okay.
That one? Over there?
Ride that rail.
What? Ride the rail?
Ride that rail. It's like a jockey. Ours is officially submerged.
Oh! Woo! No, it's not cheating.
Who's that?
That's the Lopez. Come on.
Are the guys still coming in?
Where's ours?
Put it one upside down.
Yours is gone, dude.
Bragging rights.
No, we were in second.
Oh, we're coming for a solid second.
Does yours?
Yep. Coming in second.
Okay.
D6.
I think ours is.
D6.
Coming in second.
However, it did not crack the top three, so the first, second, third place winners so far are in the first heat.
That's all right. You're way too depressed.
Just made it.
Now, which one is this? Is that yours?
That's ours, yeah. She's coming in for a solid second.
Coming in for second, Jay.
At least for second.
Yeah, come on.
We're only halfway through.
Where are the others? Capside.
They suck already.
Capside.
Totally count.
Come on, make it to the wall. You're She said make it to the wall.
You know, there are other heats, guys.
Wait till it touches James.
Is it going to touch the wall? Or is it just going to stay there? No, you know, that one could pee you out. That's a
Pretty
upside
close.
down.
Pretty close.
Is it going to touch?
Oh shit.
Let it touch. Are you giving up?
She's a good third.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You touched it?
Yeah.
But it touched after that one.
We're not talking about that.
Okay.
I know. We tried.
Yeah, we can do it again. Can we race again? Race again?
You just got voted off the island. You can use your boat to win.
All right.
Anybody's interested in bartering there. We also have some baked goods and ice cream and sorbet.